afternoon, Marianne. This is Tina with Prime Mercedes. You and I have been talking a little bit back and forth about these gorgeous GLC300s. And I know you're a little further upstate Maine. Well, I have this beautiful 2019 GLC300 that came in Mojave Silver, and I want to give you a tour. So come on in. Let's start in at that beautiful front end. You have the LED high performance headlamps. This does have an AMG Sport package and night package, so you're going to see a lot of blacked out accents as we go through the vehicle. I want you to take a look at those 19-inch rims, multi-spoke with that black accent, black mirror housing here with your indicators and your blind spot assist. Now this vehicle is going to come with a P1 package, so it's going to have Sirius XM, easy entry, easy exit, blind spot assist. It's also got smartphone integration. So on the command center, when I get a chance to show that to you, you're going to be able to bring up either your Android or your Apple phone right up on the display. Let's take a look at the tailgate. Love that gorgeous Mojave silver color. And you do have a power adjustable tailgate here. These rear seats, very easy to put down. Locking compartment there in the cargo hold. I can lock the vehicle from the back, and I want you to see that soft close. LED on those tail lamps. Let's take a look at the rear passenger interior. I also want you to see how easily those lock into place. And this is going to have a lot of standard features in it, Marianne, like crosswind assist, brake assist. As you look in the cab here, you're going to see you have a Burmeister sound system, 500 watts. This vehicle is coming with a pretty rare option on these GLCs. It does have heads-up display, which is super, super handy. This has multiple driving modes, eco, comfort, sport, sport plus. I do have an articulating steering wheel here, and I know you know a lot about these vehicles. I just want to say hello again to you, Mary Ann. Give me a call at 207-229-2739, and we'll set an appointment up to drive this beauty. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.